We're an Austin Powers movie. Gold. I forget what was that character's name, but how he was all about the gold. Anyway, it goes through waves where people will ask me a lot about gold or silver or whatever. And then it'll get really quiet for a while. And then they come back and they ask more about particularly gold. And then there were all kinds of stories from all over the news media, television, podcasts, websites, radio, you name it. It was like one of those low-hanging fruit stories that really caught people's imagination, that Costco.com periodically is selling ounces of gold. And every time they get another supply of gold and they put it for sale at Costco.com, it sells out in minutes. And so do I want you to buy gold that way? Do I even want you to buy gold? So what is gold for, other than jewelry? Gold is a hedge against bad times. Nobody buys gold as an investment. Gold is not an investment. Silver is not an investment. Precious metals are not an investment. People hold them as a store of value against devaluation of traditional government currencies, worries about the world, all of that. And so in times of great worry in the world, gold and other precious metals tend to rise. And in times when people feel more tranquil, then the value goes down. They are not an investment. Why are they not an investment? Because other than making jewelry, gold has no return on investment like money. If you invest in a company, you're hoping that they will take that money, provide a product or service to the marketplace, be able to make a profit on that, and ultimately you make money through the stock going up or the dividends it generates. And generally, my way of investing in index funds or exchange-traded fund equivalents is you're owning little pieces of thousands of companies, and you're betting on the enlightened self-interest of a capitalist to put money into something as an entrepreneur or as a free enterpriser and provide something the marketplace wants and be able to make money on it. Okay, so gold, precious metals, that's not the role they play. Is it bad to own them? No, but only as a part of what you do as that hedge, is something that is that old expression, port in a storm. It's not an investment. That's very important. So having gold that is physical gold, there's a buy-sell spread. Less of a spread buying the gold from Costco than normal, which is why people grabbed onto it. But you got to buy it. You have the spread on it. So when you go to sell it, you lose some money on that spread. And because you're going to get less for it than what the buyer is paying for it. And so gold is something that I like to be held in electronic form, not in physical form. Same thing with silver and other precious metals. So I've been a big fan of funds where you don't have the buy-sell spreads to worry about. You don't have to worry about storing it. You don't have to worry about somebody stealing your physical gold. There are times you'll hear about these thefts where somebody's gold gets stolen. So if you want to have some gold or precious metals, fine. My preference is electronic versus actual physical. But again, not an investment. Remember, the purpose of it is a hedge against scary stuff.